Welcome, here I've got Huawei MatePad T8 and I am going to show you how to change the resolution of photo in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to the more advanced settings, which are here in the right corner, and by tapping on this button we get access to it. And as you can see here we have the general settings, and the first place is the resolution. So by tapping on this we can pick from 3 resolutions, as you can see, 4 and 3, 1 and 1, and this is how it looks like, and also 16 and 9, and this is how it looks like. And this is also connected with the photo quality, so the best possible photo quality of this camera is 5 megapixels with 4 and 3 resolution. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.